Hello guys, this is Afinside blog. So guys, today I show you how to apply Google AdSense YouTube channel. This is very easy and simple. So guys, today I show you everything. How can you apply Google AdSense YouTube channel? So guys, let's do it. You know how to apply Google AdSense, okay? So you need to apply for Google AdSense. So I already apply. So I apply now Google AdSense. So I need to click start. So guys, they are asking you have an account or don't have. So I don't have any account. Okay. I need to click I don't have. Okay. After and to be continue. Just wait for a second. So guys, when you open this Google AdSense, then you need to choose your country, which country. So our country in Bangladesh, so I select Bangladesh, then go down, okay, then you read everything, and then you put yes, okay, this one, okay. So guys, I need to click and then continue. So get start. So guys, you need to put your details, everything, okay, your address, everything you need to put there, okay. So I put my address. So guys, I already upload my details and need to get submit, okay. Then you click there. Just wait few seconds. So guys, see in progress. I want to wait for 1 hour. After I will check later. You know now how to apply for Google AdSense YouTube channel. So thank you for watching.